Hey guys, it's me Kennedy back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you something that my grandma just gave me, and she gave me this, and it's like squishy, and I thought it was makeup or squishy, but I think it is slime. I cannot show this side because it has my address on it, but I'm sorry of the background noises. Just let me turn this down.
But I'm just saying is that Hitler's rival it'd be a lot easier to do tomorrow.
Definitely. Besides the drive over.
And my grandma and grandpa are talking right now, and she just asked me. She just went like this. Okay, she asked me who's the best grandpa and who's the best grandpa, who's the best grandma and who's the best grandpa, and I was like, you, and it feels like slime, so I'm just gonna open it.
Can you?
It is my red slime. This is my cloud slime, I think. I thought it was gonna be way bigger than this. I thought it was gonna be like this size, but it's okay.
Looks more like jam.
This is my watermelon cloud slime. It feels really weird. It gets stuck on your hands though. It's super like wet. It gets everywhere.
You want me to move it?
No,
I can move it.
It leaves like a red thing.
I'm not going to use the
Like,
tractor until
it like feels like it has salt
later
on it.
tonight.
Yeah.
Mom, Grandma,
Yeah.
I don't like this slime at all.
Well, that's what you get when you order from the internet.
It has a watermelon in it. Little watermelon. It smells like actual crap, but it's okay.
What does actual crap smell
Like
like?
really hair crap. But, I mean, it's okay, I guess. It's okay, but like, it's not that good.
Did you take the TV thing?
Yeah, it's right here.
Here.
Keep it down.
I'm going to turn it off. I was just going to change channels, so.
Okay, but this is kind of it's pretty. I like the color. Grandma, look at the little charm in it. It is literally squishy. It is a squishy charm. Look at the little charm, Grandma.
So you were only there a couple minutes, huh?
And it has like this black seeds in it, I guess.
Those guys couldn't stay there very long, did they?
About 15, 20 minutes.
I don't like it because it gets all over your hands, but
Yeah. Yeah, he started it up and, it made some noise and stuff, and he looked at the guy.
so
and he
I'm
said,
gonna
"It's
do
taken
some
a long time."
ASMR
He
with
says,
this
"Yeah."
slime. So let's
And
go.
then he's John Bonneville's son.
There's a time he wasn't. One of them was a pretty hard drinker.
I wonder whatever happened to his wife, because I thought she was pretty nice. She seemed nice.
But yeah, this slime, like,
John's always
it's like pretty bad, but, and we paid, $14. Grandma, we paid $14 for this slime. We paid $14 for this little sticky, gross slime. But it still is like a good slime, I bet, if you put like...
The typical Republican. They accuse the Democrats and everybody else.
It's really small. I thought it was going to be like way bigger, but it's fine. This is supposed to be a cloud slime, and it's not really a cloud slime.
Our first mail that in our new mailbox was this and that letter.
It's so cute because I got it, and it's black with dots in it because it's like...
I would thoroughly enjoy this weather. Thoroughly. we weren't trying to get things ready over there.
It's really good. Like,
Because I really like this. This to me is peaceful.
but it gets all over your hands.
I haven't pushed it because
I'm gonna give a 100% honest review about this. It smells like
I'm more
actual
encouraged after
crap. It smells like chlorine water, and chlorine water smells super good, but not this kind.
I mean,
It
she
smells
said it was
bad.
checked off that
Like,
they winterized the sewer and they winterized
And,
this. But then you get this.
it's pretty
That
squishy.
probably was to their
Like,
benefit that
it's not
closed
stretchy.
closed.
Oh, well,
Everything else
kind
is
of
okay.
is stretchy, but it's not that
Biggest
stretchy.
spenders.
Like, like this. This is not that
Biggest thing was
stretchy.
the cash.
It just falls. But the smell, I would give it a 0, a negative infinity
I don't regret it one bit.
out of 10. What it smells like? It smells like rubber.
It was less than
It smells so bad.
cents and had nice ham.
Do you want me to put it in
And
the
they,
oven
and
already?
they had pork plates.
But
I was
okay,
gonna buy
so
one,
the
but
smell
they
is a
were
0, negative infinity,
8 cents a pop.
and the stretchiness is probably like a 2 because this is not that stretchy, but it's pretty when you stretch it. And the bubble. Let's do the bubble test like this is ever gonna go good.
Usually when that happens,
This is not what slime is supposed to feel like. It feels like, want to know what it feels like? It feels like that sand mixed in with like salt. Sand and salt, like that kinetic sand. So the bubble test.
I just worry about Holly.
Yeah, it does not work. Bubble test,
she's working lately.
not work at all. But yeah, and we'll rate.
She has to be home alone, right? She like it when she's home alone.
And this looks like it's, the looks are pretty, but BTW, my cousin Gina has a boyfriend.
We don't know that.
You don't, but I do. I go to the same school as her. And it is really stretchy. And now I'm just, and it's really stretchy and really like squishy. But yeah, it's pretty, like, okay. The scent is a 0, negative infinity, 1,000 million. And the stretchiness is literally like a 1 or 2. It's like a 2. And the smell, I already said smell, but is a negative 1,000 million gazillion. And the bubble test is a 0,000 million gazillion brillion trillion gillion. Or you're just staring at me. It's really, really bad. So, but this was also from Amazon. So I would expect Amazon to have good slime, but they don't, I guess. Wait, this was not from Amazon? Yeah, this was from Amazon. It's this, I've never felt cloud slime before, but this does not feel like cloud slime. I've watched Karina Garcia, okay?
Who is she?
She's his daughter. She's a cook on TV.
Okay. So, but, yeah. That was it for today. And thank you guys for watching my video. And make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Actually, comment down below what your favorite, to all 4 of my subscribers. Comment down below what your favorite slime is. Like if it's cloud slime, glittery slime, fluffy slime, milky slime. Just, yeah. And thank you guys for watching. And I'm going to show you the shout outs for today's, and this slime, I didn't like it because, okay, it didn't even fill all the way to the top. Yeah, it did, but okay. Thanks for watching, guys, and I am going to show you the 10 shout outs for today. And I just realized something with this slime. The bottom of it is broken. Okay, but I have to get a new container then, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite slime is. That is the question of the day. I'm going to do a question. I'm going to try to be posting every single day, though. I will show you those shout-outs. So, let's go. The first shout-out is Keensley R. Shamble. The second shout-out is... How do you pronounce this? Cordell. The third shout out is Gina Fitzpatrick. The fourth shout out is Addie Beck. The fifth shout out is Mylette Marin, I think. The fifth shout out is Peyton. The sixth shout out is Duke. The seventh shout out is JT Jerson, but here's his name. And the eighth shout out for today is Wagash. And the ninth shout out for today is Chelsea Collins. And the 10th shout out for today is Tud Curry 041. So thank you guys for being a member of the Kennedy Birch Squad. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video, and love you guys, and bye.